Good morning from Coachella. Today I'm going to be just doing something a little different than the usual race guys, running the Coachella 5K. I feel like death. Was out till like 2 a.m. listening to music last night, so perfect time to death march. Let's go. Thanks to Backcountry for supplying my shorts for this video as well. You can shop those links in the description below.
Here's the foundation of this run club. Have a good time. It's about community, it's about meeting people, it's about enjoying yourself, and then going have a great ass weekend when you get into the park, okay? Number 2, go at whatever pace you want to go to today.
I figured instead of heavily breathing into the mic for 3 miles, I'd talk to you about the course in a voiceover here. So you get to see pretty much all of the festival campgrounds, which is pretty cool. This is me proving I was actually running. And then you also get to just be around a ton of other runners, which is pretty neat because you kind of forget where you are. The desert is really beautiful. The views that you get on the hill that I'll show in a second here are stunning. A lot of people come here to watch sunsets and sunrises as well. It's just really a beautiful place. It's also, like I said, a good way to see the campground. So this is like, I think it's like Sahara camping. I don't know. I'd never be able to afford that. Wicked expensive stuff there. These are all people running. And then, yeah, I'm riding the struggle bus right now. Like, I'm not doing well at all. But kept running, ran by the Ferris wheel, and then these crowds that I'm showing you right here, these are Justin Bieber fans lining up at like 9 a.m. The gates to the festival don't open until 1. You can do the math. Finally, crossed the finish line. Thanks to Electrolyte for the awesome drinks to rehydrate.
That's a wrap on the Coachella 5K. Really fun if you're here, and I felt terrible before, feel less terrible after. Pretty cool way to see the campgrounds as well. Shout out to Backcountry for the shorts and Death March for the shirt. Yeah, time to go see some more music today.
Sing along if you know the words.
My name is Subtronics, how the fuck we feeling?
Only with a capital H if you know what I mean. When you smile, I smile. Listen, hear me. Don't nobody deserve myself. Baby, what I'm saying is you ain't gotta make